The driver's carpet can be one of the most disgusting things in your car interior. Not only that, it can bring all kinds of bad odor inside your cabin. Like many of you at home, I have been struggling with cleaning carpets in my early days. Now that I have mastered it, I will be revealing to you my exact 5-minute strategy for fresh looking and plush carpets. By the end of this video, you'll know the do's and don'ts of basic carpet cleaning with tools you probably already have at home. So let's get into it. If you are new to the channel, I'm glad you're here. I hope you subscribe. And if you already subscribed, I really appreciate you. So let's get into the video. Now in today's video, we're gonna go over my secrets when it comes to keeping your carpets fresh and plush, as I mentioned in the intro, and I've been wanting to find out if the claim by those two brands are true when it comes to carpet cleaning. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to talk carpets with you and find out if the claims by those two brands are true. So Koch Chemie Pol pH7, it's a textile cleaner and leather cleaner. I wanna find out if this neutral cleaner can clean a carpet of a daily driver with no real buildup, but can this bring back the OEM finish of the carpet? We'll find out, all right? And at the same time, I want to find out if DIY All Clean, the all-purpose cleaner by DIY Detail, can remove buildup or a salt crust, a salt ring. I have a carpet here with an accumulation of salt that have already been cleaned with an extractor, but still have remaining thick salt crust in there.
Okay, first order of business, the salt crust. Now, to be fair, this carpet came out super clean with the extractor, but I missed a corner where the salt accumulation is. So we're gonna follow DIY Detail recommendation and soak this area with All Clean at 15:1, coming off this ready to use 16-ounce bottle. So we'll let the treated area dwell while we go do our step-by-step carpet maintenance using Koch Chemie Pol and come back to it afterwards to see if All Clean pulled out the stain. Now, of course, if you want to maximize the results, you should use an air tool or a drill brush to open up the fibers even more. But for today's video, we're gonna keep it simple for everyone and use basic tools that you already have or that you can get under about 10 to 20 bucks. Now let's clean our daily driver floor mat step by step using Koch Chemie Pol. I could have gotten a dirtier carpet for you, but the process would be the same, and honestly, this step by step is gonna get you about 80% of the way with any carpet, regardless of its condition. Now step 1, do a quick vacuum to pick up the loose stuff up top. Don't worry about every little debris here. We just want to get the majority of the dirt. Step 2, use a medium stiff bristle brush. Brush the entire carpet surface to open the fibers of the carpet. And this is where a toilet style drill brush can be very useful if you have a jam-packed mat, but the hand brush will do the same. You just have to invest more time and more elbow grease. Step 3, follow up with a second vacuum to remove 99% of the remaining dirt, the sand, dust, and debris. You can even tap the carpet with your vacuum tool to see if you have more remaining sand and debris. Basically, do everything to make sure that we have removed everything. Step 4, now that the carpet has been dry cleaned thoroughly, this step is going to be a breeze. We're only left with some minor water-soluble stains, so let's apply our Koch Chemie Pol at 5:1, by the way, diluted at 5:1, agitate with the same brush, and letting it work for about 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, my friends, secret number 1 is actually spending double the amount of time working dry on a carpet. So I don't want you to add water too early. That's the number 1 mistake, people adding water too early on the carpet.
This is just going to make it more difficult for us to remove the debris. Now you can mop up right away with a microfiber towel, but I prefer to suck it all up with the vacuum first and then use a microfiber to the final wipe off. Keep in mind that we could have used DIY All Clean for this carpet maintenance as well, but for the purpose of this video, I choose to showcase two different products for two different tasks. Now don't go anywhere, we'll still have our DIY Detail All Clean test that we want to go back to.
By the way guys, I'll have the links for every products and tools mentioned in this video. You can now save 10% at tocsupplies.ca using the code Dogma, and also you can save 10% at diydetail.com using the code Dogma. So let's get back into the video. Because we have our foot on the carpet all the time, we're kind of pushing the sand and the grit in there, so it's very important that you try to open up the fibers as much as possible. So if you had an air gun or an air tool, that would be probably the best tool here, just to make sure that we open up all those fibers. As I mentioned, we can have a much better, much more effective vacuum afterwards.
The salt crust was hard as rocks. It's been soaking now for about 15 minutes. So let's get it wet again, give it the stain a good scrub, but it seems pretty smooth. I'm very hopeful. Vacuum it all up the best we can, wipe off with a microfiber towel, same process, and make sure to let me know what you think about the results. So the DIY All Clean has done a very well job for me when it comes to cleaning wheels, and now it's a stain killer. Now, great products guys, no harsh smell. I can see this APC as a gallon becoming a staple for anyone who's cleaning a bunch of cars on a regular. Very good value at around 50 bucks for 128 ounce of concentrate that you can dilute at 15:1 max.
There you have it, my friends. Polestar is effective when it comes to cleaning moderate to light dirt carpet. This product is pH neutral, so we ensure that we're not gonna upset the pH inside our carpets and leaving a bunch of residue. So that's a nice way to maintain your carpet on maybe a monthly basis. And we also found out that All Clean has some really good teeth when it comes to buildup of salts. The claim by DIY ended up to be true. I really appreciated the way it worked, how well it cleaned up. I'm really impressed by the power of this product when it comes to carpet cleaning. Now, cleaning your interior feels really good, so you'll want to check out those two products on interior cleaning. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.